Hello, Asan. How are
Hi,
you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you. We are coming from Peaceworks Farmland,
Mm-hmm.
and we are conducting an interview for
Mm-hmm.
the Spirit project.
Okay.
What do you think is the racism?
You want me to define racism,
Yeah.
or do you
What,
want?
what
Do
is
you
your
want?
perception?
Well, I believe racism is something that you hate someone else,
Mm-hmm.
or you discriminate someone else on the basis of their religion, on the basis of their origin,
Mm-hmm.
and the stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
For instance, you hate someone because he is from another country.
Mm-hmm.
You don't like someone because he is from another religion,
Mm-hmm.
and this is what I believe is racism. So, being a Muslim and being a follower of our Holy Prophet, I believe and I condemn all sorts of racism that are being happening around the world, and they should not go on, because this really takes us to a hate world where we can't spread love, we can't care each other, because if we are Muslims and we hate others because they are the non-Muslims, or they are from another region, they have another skin color, and we are going to hate them, that simply means that they can do the same. So how you can even think of love, care, and affection in the world if you can't eradicate racism from the world? This is what I believe.
Alright. So, what kind of effects are being made through racism on the society?
Well, it really makes the people, what I can say, that I mean their confidence level is really decreased. For instance, if someone is standing in front of you and want to talk to you, and you are just ignoring him, and you just say to him, or you just make him feel that you are doing so because apart from you are doing so because you are from another origin, or some from other, I mean from the other part of the world, and so that really makes them believe that they are not, they consider them low from the human beings, because they will start considering that, okay, are we not the human beings? I mean, we have the same uh, body structure, we have the same, but as you have. But what the reason is that you hate them because they are from the another origin, and that really makes a mindset of people that they start hating others. So you can't promote peace. That's what I want to say.
So, what are the measures should be taken? You think that to eradicate the
But I believe on the there should be some kind of a campaign from those who are mankind lovers, who believe that racism should not be promoting. They should go on the television, they should go on the radio, on the newspaper, they should go the interviews. They should find those people who have a mindset just like them, and they should say to the mass of the people that eradicate racism. Every human being is equal, and as far as our religion is concerned, everybody knows that our prophet has clearly said that nobody has got any sort of dominance on any other person just because of color, just because of the religion. If you are good, that doesn't mean that it doesn't have to do anything with your religion. If you are good, then you are a good person. So we have to go on mass, we have mass people, we have to uh, I mean, we should talk about it as much as we can. We should spread it, because world is now a global village. Uh, one one thing that has been said in one part of the world can be heard in the other part of the world. So, like, you have the internet and something like that. So you should talk more about it.
Thank you very much, Mr. Hassan.
Thanks a lot.
Have a nice day.
It's my pleasure.